Hello everyone, welcome to free internship and courses program. ISRO is providing the free data analyst certification course 2026. There is a no fee, no exam and certificate is included, and this is the government online courses and course is for the data analyst certifications. So this will help you to career boost, in demand skill, government certificate and learn online. So we'll go through the step by step process for that. So there ISRO, that is the Indian Space Research Organization, is India's national space agency responsible for the developing space technology and conducting space exploration mission. So full form of the ISRO is the Indian Space Research Organization and founded in year 1969, headquartered in Bengaluru. Main work is that building satellites, launching rockets, exploring space and using the space technologies to communication, navigation, weather forecasting and scientific research. So ISRO is known in the worldwide for the cost-effective missions such as the Chandrayaan-3 Moon landing and the Mars orbiter mission to Mars. So ISRO is the government agency that leads the India space research and satellite mission. So they are providing the advances in the remote sensing technology for the geological applications. So IIRS and ISRO Outreach Program 2026. So join the 183 IRS Outreach Program on the advance in the remote sensing technologies for geological applications. So organized by the Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, that is the IIRS, and ISRO, Department of Space and Government of India. This online training program is the schedule for the 15 to 19 June 2026. This is the just coming days, and this designed for the student, researcher, academics, and professional in the earth science and related field. So there is a registration link. We'll go through the link. When you will open this link, you can find that there is a course ID is 183. So just click on this. There is an online form is there, and one more is the course voucher. So open the course voucher. This is the course voucher, IIRS Outreach Program. And about IIRS, this is the Indian Institute of Remote Sensing under the Indian Space Research Organization. That is the under the ISRO. So Department of Space, Government of India. So all the details you will get here, and mainly we'll focus on this. So about the course. So advances the remote sensing technologies such as the heads bought the this one other details just like mapping, monitoring, characterization, and change the direction of the nature resource of the big way. So there is a target participants are there. So in the target participants, you will see the candidate should be that science, postgraduate or on in the final year in the earth science equivalent subject, that is geology, applied geology, the geophysics, earth sciences, geoexploration, geography, and there is geoengineering, mining engineering, or BTech in the civil engineering, geoscience, and there's a mining engineering specific scientific staff of the central and state government, faculty, researchers at the university institute are also eligible to apply this course. So these are the uh, equivalent subjects those who can apply, and course material you can find on this. Course material like the lecture slide, video recorded lecture, open source software, hands out of the demonstrations, it etc. will be made available through the e-class. Video lecture will also upload it on e-class. So finally, course fee. There is no course fee for the attending this program. An award of certification registered through the nodal center. Based on the 70% of attendance, student will give award to the course participant certificate. So individual registration, a course participant certificate will be given to the everyone who devotes at least 70% of the each session hour of the course. The course participant, this certificate will be available for the download in ISRO LMS site, Learning Management site. There is a limited number of seats. Registration will be done on the first come first serve basis. So just do as soon as possible. So course registration, this is the registration link, and course update on details you will be available on this. So curriculum is there. Course will be cover following topics. So there is a list of the topics are there. It will cover. These are the topics and important links you can find here. Now this is the registration page. Here you have to provide your first name as per the class 10 certification, full name, email address, confirm email address and password, and there is a retype password, and go with the registration. Then it will ask you the course, select the course. Then next page is the personal detail, educational detail and professional and documents and preview. Then final submit will be there. So you need any guideline for this one participation. So step 1, please provide your details carefully. Step 2, activate your account by clicking the given link. Step 3, course coordination director will be review your application, verify the submit document and approve the subject to your application. Then 4, e-class is there and other details you can find there. So course delivery, there is a online examination is this, and issue of certificate. So certificate will be issued within 2 or 3 weeks after the online exam. So there is exam also, and certificate validations is there. So all the step-by-step process we have done for the ISRO free data analyst certification. So if you are passionate about the remote sensing, GIS, geology, earth science, ISRO technologies or mining exploration, this program offer an excellent opportunity to educate your knowledge from the leading expert. So disclaimer is that this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belong to their respective owners. For any copyright concern, you can send me mail on this email address. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any question? Then drop them into the comment box, and like, share and comment us and subscribe to my channel. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.